welcome to Sweet Cake Patterns, where I feature modern faux fur crochet patterns. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this super quick and simple little leaf. And so let's get started. Alright, so the supplies that you'll need today are scissors, a darning needle, a hook, and I'm using a 4.5mm crochet hook, and you'll need your yarn. And this is just number 4 worsted weight yarn. And any number 4 worsted weight yarn will work, but I will link the yarn that I'm using in the description box below. Okay, so to begin, you're going to make a slip knot, and to make a slip knot, you're going to put your yarn strand tail at the base of your pinky and wrap your yarn around your finger twice. Now you're going to take the back loop and bring it to the front, like that, and now you're going to take the new back loop and bring it all the way up and over and down and off your finger like that. Now you're going to chain 5. So to make a chain, you're going to yarn over and pull through, and you're going to do that 5 times. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, in the second chain from hook, you're going to make a single crochet. So to do that, your loop on your hook does not count as a chain. You're going to skip the first chain and go in the second chain. And to make a single crochet, you're going to insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And in the next chain, you're going to make a half double crochet. So you're going to insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, you're going to yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. In the next chain, you're going to do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now in the last chain, you're going to make a half double crochet. So insert, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And you're going to do that exact same thing now on the other side. So you're going to half double crochet into the same chain that we just did a half double crochet. And now you're going to kind of flip to the bottom of your work. So do a half double crochet. Now you're going to do a double crochet in the next chain. You're going to do a half double crochet in the next chain. And you're going to do a single crochet in the last chain. And now you're going to do a slip stitch. So you're going to slip stitch into the top of the first stitch. So insert into the top 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. Now you're going to tie off, I don't leave that long of a tail, but if you want to, you can. And yarn over and pull through. Now, I like to take my leaf and put it onto what I call rosette. So I make 2 roses and then I put the leaf on the back, but you can do it however you want or make your leaf into whatever you want it to be. But I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. So I like to take my roses and sew it onto my leaf. So I just sew off this, tying these 2 ends of the leaf, and then I use the long rose tails that I have, and let me scoot that over, and I put it, I just use the long rose tails to sew it onto my leaf. Sew my leaf together onto the roses. So now I just tie off however you like. I just like to make a little knot at the base of the leaf, but however you want to do it is perfectly fine. And you're going to cut your yarn. And now I'm going to sew it onto the rose. Now I like to take the dark pink. Oh, first I want to show you that I have the dark pink bigger rose on the left side and the light pink rose on the right side. And then I like to take this leaf and sew it right on the back. So I'm going to take my dark pink the yarn strand first and put it on my darning needle. I'm going to take now the middle, about the middle stitch of this leaf, and I like to first flip over my rosette and take my leaf and do about half where that is. And then I like to just do the exact same thing on the other side. You could really do this any way you want, but this is just how I've done it. And then I like to just make a knot or two or three and tie it off. So I'm just going to make a knot and then I like to just tie off, or not tie off, sorry, snip my yarn, and there you have it. You have a cute little rose that you can put on animals or anything you want. Thank you so much for making this quick and simple little leaf along with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make a new video every week on Mar Faux Fur Crochet Patterns.